When we want to measure DC, we put the meter onto that setting there. We can observe the symbol over the V, which is DC voltage, and on the screen itself it says DC with the symbol as well. Now, when it comes to the probes, the natural convention is that the black probe goes onto the negative and the red probe goes onto the positive. We can then observe the reading and see that we've got 15 volts. Now, if we was to put the probes on the other way around, and notice that I swapped the hands, then I will put the red on negative and the black on positive, and when we observe that reading, we can see that we've still got 15 volts, but this time it's indicating minus 15 volts. So when we check DC, we have to observe the polarity to make sure that the polarity is the right way round for the readings that we expect. And that is the normal convention of the black on the negative and the red on the positive.